Do most people travel on Saturdays and Sundays? Weekend getaways can be the perfect escape from daily routines, providing an opportunity to unwind and explore unfamiliar places. However, it's important to prioritize safety and well-being while on the road or in unfamiliar surroundings. In this Friday blog, we'll share some essential safety tips to help you make the most of your weekend adventures without compromising your security. Before embarking on your trip, research your destination and gather essential information about local customs, safety concerns, and points of interest. Book accommodation in advance and ensure they have reputable reviews. Share your itinerary with friends or family members so they know where you'll be. Travel in groups or with a friend. Whenever possible, travel with friends or family members. There's safety in numbers, and having companions can make your trip more enjoyable and secure. Pack wisely. Bring a basic first aid kit, necessary medications, and copies of essential documents, e.g., passport, driver's license, and travel insurance. Also, pack a portable charger to keep your phone charged in emergencies. Stay aware of your surroundings. While exploring unfamiliar places, always be aware of your surroundings. Stick to well-populated areas, especially at night, and trust your instincts. Avoid displaying valuables or large sums of cash and keep your belongings secure. Use technology to your advantage. Download travel safety apps like TripWhistle, which can provide information about local emergency numbers and your GPS location. Use Google Maps or other navigation apps to help you find your way around unfamiliar places. Follow local guidelines and laws. Familiarize yourself with local laws, customs, and cultural practices to ensure you have a smooth and respectful experience. This includes adhering to any travel advisories or safety recommendations provided by local authorities. Prioritize personal safety. Whether exploring the city or enjoying outdoor activities, always prioritize your safety. Wear appropriate gear, stay hydrated, and follow any safety guidelines provided by tour operators or activity leaders. Use reputable transportation. When using public transportation or taxis, always opt for well-established and reputable providers. If you're renting a vehicle, familiarize yourself with local driving laws and conditions before hitting the road. Stay connected. Keep your phone charged and ensure you have a way to communicate with your travel companions or emergency contacts. Regularly check in with friends or family members to let them know you're safe. Conclusion. By taking the time to plan, stay aware of your surroundings, and follow safety guidelines, you can enjoy a secure and memorable weekend getaway. With these essential tips in mind, you'll be well prepared to make the most of your travels while ensuring your safety and well-being. Happy travels! I'm not an expert, I'm simply documenting my journey. We appreciate that you took the time out of your busy day to watch our content. Thanks for your support. We upload content daily,